Here we are looking at the Simgot EA1000 Fermat. They have a code name for this IM, priced at I think $220. This is the mid-range offering. They have EA500, EA2000 over this, and EA500 under it. I very recently compared the EW200 with a couple of other IEMs in the similar price range. This is the EA1000 Silver. You guys can read from here, EA1000. Let's open it up. Good looking packaging, similar to few kind of presentation, I'll say. And it comes with 3 tuning nozzles, so those graphs will look into that in the impression or comparison video. So formats, I'm not exactly sure what that mean. The last theorem, God knows. But here comes the IEM. Let's see if we have some information about the IEM. So title, yeah, transducer impedance is 16 ohms, so this is decent, fairly decent for the price. Is it some documentation? No documentation. I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to do. Okay, Fermat's last theorem. Okay, so this is what the Fermat is supposed to mean. I am not exactly interested in that. I'm interested in this. So this is the IM. Now this is very interesting. I kind of thought that we are getting this texture on the surface, but no, we are getting glass on the surface. It is some tempered glass kind of stuff. So glass, and this is fairly small, fairly small, not big by a big margin. So around 16-17 mm, so fairly small IM. Let me put the IM and let's look into the box. Come on, I think this is supposed to be the case. There is something under this. So we have some tips here, nice, a decent looking tips. Similar bore, nothing different here, very similar kind of bore. There is barely any difference in bore size, so nothing there. Let's have a look at this one. This is supposed to be the case, and yes, we are getting a decent looking case. Salute to the art and science. Okay, definitely, no questions about that. We get a straightforward 3.5 mm cable, nothing fancy here, no modularity or anything like that. And what is this supposed to contain? Accessories. What other accessories are not found? So this is the tuning filter. Okay. I was not exactly looking forward to it. But here are the filters. We will look into the usage of these filters and how they change the sound. So at this point, this is all you get when you pay around 19,000 rupees or $220 format. Very good looking shiny IEMs. So this is the unboxing of EA1000 format. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.